Are you a woman of a certain age who's struggling with hormone issues that have left you feeling hopeless, unattractive, and afraid your health will continue to decline? Would you like to take back control of your body to feel healthy, sexy, energetic, and happy with what you see in the mirror again? My name is Tafika Kier, and growing up, I watched my mother suffer from similar hormone issues that subsequently led to her death at the young age of 52. I spent several years training in hormone health for women, which led to the creation of a life-changing program with 4 transformation phases. Phase 1 identifies your personal metabolic distress. Phase 2 restores your health with a metabolic reset. Phase 3 reshapes your body with a metabolic kickstart, and Phase 4 renews your life with the metabolic makeover. If you want to take back control of your body and fix the hormone issues that you've been struggling with for years so that you can look and feel your absolute best, I'm inviting you to my free web class called How to Eliminate the Real Cause of Menopause Symptoms. The next class starts soon, so be sure to click the link to register now.